Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Equinox key fob here. It works for these models and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right on this side, right here, you see this small button. Now you need to press this button and this way you can pull this mechanical key out. Now, when you remove the mechanical key over here, take it, and when you hold the fob like this, with the buttons facing down, right on this side, you see this hole. Now, with the tip of the mechanical key, insert it right here in this hole like this, and twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. Now, when you separate the fob into two pieces like this, right on this side, you zero that battery over here. Now to remove the battery, it's very easy. Take the tip of the flat screwdriver and insert it here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery and when you place the new battery over here in the same place, make sure this here is the negative side, like this. So when you insert the battery like this, take the two pieces again, this one and this one, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together. Now when you snap them together, here, take the mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.